Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we learn about cell dialog and its option. So let's go. About cell dialog, it has three options. First is insert. In insert, we can insert cell, row, column or entire sheet also. So let's go to its option. First option is insert cell. In insert cell, we can insert cells in a sheet. So let's take an example. I'm writing Shreya and we want to insert one cell in Shreya. We insert cell you see that cell is inserted in A column. Okay, let's move to next option. Next option is insert sheet row. Its option helps us to insert a whole row in a sheet like this. Go to insert option, click on the insert sheet row. You see that one whole row is inserted in our sheet. Okay, let's move to next option. Next option is insert sheet column. In insert sheet column, we can insert sheet columns in a sheet like this. You see that one more sheet is sheet column is inserted in our sheet. Okay, let's move to next option. Next option is insert entire sheet. In insert entire sheet, we can insert sheet in our book. We can also tell you about insert sheet in our first video. If you can't see our first video, link in the description or I box. Go there and see my first video. You can better understand. Okay. Like this, one more sheet is inserted in this workbook. Okay, let's move to delete option. In cell dialog, it deletes row, column from the table or sheet. It will also delete sheet or cells. Like I want to delete one cell in this cell from our sheet. Go to delete cell. You see that one whole cell is deleted. You can also delete a row by this. You see that one more row is deleted. I'm adding K for better showing. You see that one more row is deleted. Okay, let's move to next option. Next option is delete the column. In delete column, we can delete whole the column. Like I want to delete E column. Go to select E column cells or whole column and go to deletion. Delete column deletion. It can delete whole column from our sheet. Okay, let's go to next option. Next option is delete sheet. It also explained in our first video. I will tell where is link about our first video in the description. Okay, let's you see that sheet 1 is deleted from our log. Okay, let's go to next option. Next option is format. In format, we can increase row height, column width, or decrease row height, decrease column width. hide or organize sheet, protection, or other options are used. Okay, let's first option is row height. If you want to increase row height, click on it and write the height. I want 14, not 14, I want 78. You see that the row height is 78. You can also increase and decrease height from this plus option like this. You can also auto fit the row height from this option. Okay, let's move to next option. Next option is column width. It's like look like column row height. I want one row height. This is very small. You can also increase by or auto fit also. Like this. Okay, next option is unhide or hide. If you want to hide or unhide the row, column, sheet, this option help you. First is hide row. Go to this. You see that one row is hide. If you want to unhide the row, select its next row like this. Go to format and like this. Okay, let's move to next option. Next option is rename sheet. It's also introduced in our first video. And you can also rename the sheet from this option. Okay, let's move to protect sheet. In protect sheet, we can stop unwanted changes to the data in a sheet by specifying what information can be changed. For example, you can prevent people from editing logged cells or changing the format of the document. You can specify a password that can be entered to protect the sheet and all of these changes. Okay, click on the protect sheet option and click on write the password or select which option you want to protect. I want to all option format cells, select and write. I'm writing 7898. Rewrite 7898. This sheet was protected. You can't do any changes in this sheet. Like if you want to unprotect, go to format and click on the unprotect and write the password. You can do changes in this sheet now. Right. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you've not seen my other video, links are in the description or in the I box. Go there and please watch that. Better understand my video, please like, comment and subscribe and click on bell icon for my latest notification.